going to mention about the topic. Sometimes human being in all of the world they give or get or need or receive special attention in another things like technology, plants, hobbies, and even animals. A half of them are animal lover, a half of them are a pet lover, and a half of them is so and not at all. But tonight or this evening, we will talk about pet lover. So our topic tonight is pet lover. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, of course.
Ready?
Nice topic.
Okay, I would like to start from you. Uh, okay. Could you give the microphone, please? Okay, how are you, Wahid?
Alhamdulillah. Good.
Okay,
Fine.
is it right? You are Wahid, right?
Yeah. Right.
Number one. Is it? How are you? How are you?
Okay, fine.
Fine. Okay, nice to see you again here in Smart FM, Smart Up Your Life with BPEC, of course. And okay, next. Hi, welcome back. How are you?
Welcome back.
Are you excited for our topic tonight?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I see. Okay, next.
My name?
Oh, I don't need it. Sorry, I need it. Who is your name? Tell us. Tell to smart listeners at
Oh
home.
my God. Okay, good evening, everybody.
Good
I'm
evening.
Mala.
Okay,
That's it.
just it. Mala. Okay, hi Mala.
Hi.
Okay, next. Hi, welcome back.
Hi,
Who is your name?
my name is Fatana
Uh-huh. And
and
where are you from?
I'm from Baru.
Uh-huh. No, I mean your school, your
Oh, I'm
campus.
from University of State of Makassar.
Uh-huh. And what are you majoring?
Uh,
You
it's a
don't.
secret. I don't want to tell you guys.
Oh my god, come on. Okay, next. Wow, the one and only. Welcome back, mister.
Hi.
Long time no see you.
Okay,
Oh my
so,
god.
I'm Tekla and I live in Makassar.
Okay, how many times you visit here in our studio?
Probably 4 times, but it was like 2 years ago.
Wow, it's so long, yeah? It's so long. Like this. Okay, welcome back, Tekla. Anyway, because our topic tonight is pet lovers. This is talking about our love to animals, especially the animals who very loyal to us. The animal is very cute, and they are, how do you say in English? They are jinak. Jinak. Yeah, so that's why we call them pet, not animal, because animal is very general. So this is a specific because they are very, they are good, they are cute. So we call pet. So pet lover. Anyway, okay, I start from you. Why the people who very kind to the animal call pet lover?
Yeah. As you know, that we call it is the pet because we can treat them
Mhm.
because it's different if we say the animal, but if we say pet, we can treat them, we can play together.
Oh,
and-
play together.
Yeah, play
Oh,
together.
okay.
There's, such as like I play. I play by my cat or
Mm.
something that.
Okay. What is your cat name?
I forgot because I have been
No name?
no name.
No. Okay, I see. I see.
Treat cat, but now I don't treat the cat.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. We will continue for the next question. By the way, hi, Miss Mala. Okay, how many times you visit already here?
How many times?
Uh-huh. You
I
cannot
cannot
count.
count it.
Okay, I
It's
see.
uncountable.
I see. What do you think about our topic this evening?
I think it's nice topic
Uh-huh.
to talk about because everybody knows and everybody can talk about this. It's easy topic to talk.
Mhm.
And yeah, about the vocabularies also.
Mhm.
It will be easy to understand.
Mhm.
We don't need to use hard vocabularies to talk with.
Mhm. So why people who love animals we call pet lover?
We call it pet lover. Yeah, because it's English.
Yeah, no. I mean, just your opinion, your own opinion. As
Mm,
Wahid say just
because
now.
because we are taking care of them.
Mm-hmm.
We feed them. When they are sick, uh, we bring them to. Yeah.
Do you have pet?
No, I don't. But sometimes I feed some kittens and
Mhm.
cats.
Ah, really?
Hmm.
Are they have a name?
No, I don't give. But
Uh,
before
uh-huh.
I had so many kittens. It was 3 years ago.
Oh, 3 years ago.
I had.
Ah, okay, nice, nice cats. Yeah. Okay. Next, I would like to ask you why the people's put these terms. Why the people who very kind and love animal we call pet lover, according to you.
Uh, it's a simples. It's
Mhm.
a simples why
Uh-huh.
the people who loves cats and
Like Super Junior, Mr. Simple.
no.
No. Okay.
It's a simple to say why people who loves the cats and dogs
Uh-huh.
it's called pet lovers because because because
Do not hesitate.
as
Uh-huh.
you know, cats and dogs is
Mhm.
a general pets in our homes.
Okay.
Specifically in Indonesia.
Okay.
Maybe in every
Home.
home,
Uh-huh.
every home
Uh-huh.
have some one or two pets.
Okay.
I mean like cats
Uh-huh.
or dogs.
They have a gecko.
Yeah, of course. I mean,
She has a gecko.
yeah.
You know
yeah.
gecko?
Yeah, I know that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
I think every-
It's
yeah.
surprise. They have a
But
gecko.
he's a liar. What I mean,
Uh-huh.
it's not. I don't know how to
Okay,
say that.
I will ask you. I will ask you later. Okay, next. I will come back. You.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, what is your point of view about pet lovers? What is your opinion?
Okay. Is it the same question as them? I think.
Yes, similar.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
same.
okay,
Same.
so
Uh-huh.
as you said that before, we call them pet. It's
Uh-huh.
because they are tame, or
Mhm.
you previously say jinak in Indonesia. We call it tame. So, nevertheless,
Mhm.
we call it pet, and
Do not hesitate to combine your language when you hard to expression in full English.
yeah, I suddenly blank out. I don't know how. We call it pet because they are tame. That's the point.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, most of them are, as Fatana said,
Mhm.
cats and dogs, because
Okay.
those two animals or
Yeah.
those pets are recognizable
Mhm.
and well known as the most loyal animal.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so I think that's all for me.
Okay, thank you, Tekla. Okay, anyway, I move to. Okay, 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 you again. Anyway, we talk about pet lovers. What do you think? What the difference between animal lover and pet lover, in your perspective?
Yeah, I know.
Are they different or similar or totally different?
I think
Same.
it's familiar, but
Uh-uh.
but I got new knowledge.
Mhm.
It's different about the animal and the love and
Yeah.
the pet, because animal, general pet,
Ah.
general animal, we
Yeah.
get we suddenly say the pet or the wild animal.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
But if we say like the pet, is the pet. We can treat them. We can play together. We can.
You can dance
give
together
them,
also. Yeah. Some animals we can training there,
Yeah, we can.
right? Yeah, we can train it like in circus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the instructor they dance together with them,
Or
right?
dolphin.
Yeah, like dolphin, like lion, tiger, rabbit, and so on. Yeah, something like that. So, do you think? But anyway, before you continue your statement, we will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. So keep in. Stay tuned on